This video presentation at Counsel Corp. Counsel trades on the Toronto Stock Exchange under ticker CXS. So look at a 4-month chart. But leading into this, Counsel Corp's had a real nice climb, more than doubled in value in the last 9 months. But it's pulled back from highs of around $3 and a resistance point right there. Nice rounded look to it though, as it found a strong support right around $2.20. And now back on the climb recently and pushed back over top of the 50 and 20-day moving averages and is overall taking on a very bullish look. You can see as the stock found the bottom, held that support, the MACD found a bottom as well, started trending back towards zero, and now is even breaking through that mark. A key point in the trend of the chart turning bullish. And even if we see some oscillations going forward, the MACD wants to slip back down a little bit. We want to see it holding right around that zero mark and just generally holding the uptrend to indicate the candles are going to try and continue to push upward. Slow Stowe's taking on a very nice look, firm upward move, up near 100. Most importantly to me, it's holding over top of 50, showing that there's sustained momentum in the play. Money flow index also making a sharp rise, again holding the upper half of the indicator, telling me that the stock price is currently well above 14-day averages. Similarly, the relative strength index up over top of 50, holding the upper half of the indicator, even pushing on 70 now, a point that technical traders refer to as the power zone because it signals there's a strong momentum in the chart. I'm actually going to pull that off real quick because I think something that's important to note and something that we talk about in a lot of videos is how difficult that 50 point can be. And that line right there shows how that chart's really struggled to break through 50 and show any strong bullish momentum. Even though there was little pushes here and there, it could just never break that mark. And now it's over top of it. That's where we'll want to see it stay to show continued bullish pressure in the play. Now, I mentioned the support at 220. Clearly many dips below that level, but generally speaking, that's a nice area of support for the chart. And on any deep pullbacks, I definitely want to see it hold that area. Even if it dips below intraday, I'd want to see it pull back up as far as the bottom end support if the stock fell from these current levels. Ideally, I'd look up around $2.40. That was a definite resistance point for the chart. Basically channeled for about 2 months, stuck between 220 and 240. Finally broke through that. This 20 days curling upward. It's going to come up and add to that area as far as the support point from a dynamic perspective. So that 240 marks a key support point for me and something that I'll want to see hold on any pullback. If it breaks through that, the odds are pretty strong it's going to come back down and test 220. Now from a resistance standpoint, stock closed right at a resistance point on Wednesday. You can see that was the support levels. The stock made highs in October, and even when it fell back from those highs, tried to hold that as support, finally caved in, then found itself in this channel. And in classic TA fashion, that support level is now going to be a resistance point. So it's going to be pretty important for it to try and push through that level, because if it does, there's not a lot of resistance in sight until those old highs at $3, which is a nice little upside from $2.59 closing price on Wednesday. Now, if it doesn't immediately push, I'm not that concerned. It would be great to see an increase in volume and take that level out. But if it pulls back some, I'd pay attention to that support level, and I'd definitely pay attention to see if volume is going to dry up a little bit if it wants to come back and sit on a support point. Only 135,000 shares traded, probably a little bit less than average for it. You can see over the last 6 weeks or so, volume was a little slow through the holidays, especially relative to the couple months before that. So what I'll be watching for is an increased volume bar to try and take out a resistance level. To increase the odds, it's going to go up and challenge some old highs. Interesting chart though, nice little rounded look to it, and one worth paying attention to going forward to see how it performs. As always, it's merely my interpretation of the Counsel Corp chart. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or its video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching. Trade smart.